Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to add a photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open our phone, then go to contacts, then select contact which you want to add a photo, and then tap edit, then tap on this camera icon, and here you can add a photo. You can take a picture right now or just select a photo from your gallery. Select the photo. Next you have to adjust it here like this, and then tap done. And as you can see, photo added. Then you just tap save to confirm it, and now our contact have a photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.